Welcome back to our channel, Informatics. Today, we're diving into the marvelous world of green tea and uncovering its extraordinary benefits that can transform your health and well-being. So, grab a cup of green tea, sit back, and let's explore the wonders it has to offer. 1. Antioxidant powerhouse. Green tea is rich in antioxidants, such as catechins and EGCG, which help combat free radicals in the body. These antioxidants can reduce the risk of chronic diseases like cancer and protect your cells from damage. 2. Weight management. If you're looking to shed a few pounds, green tea can be your secret weapon. Its metabolism-boosting properties can aid in weight management by increasing fat oxidation and improving your body's ability to burn calories. 3. Heart health. Green tea promotes a healthy heart by lowering bad cholesterol levels and reducing blood pressure. It also helps improve the function of the lining of blood vessels, reducing the risk of heart diseases like stroke. 4. Brain boost. Did you know green tea can make you smarter? It contains L-theanine, an amino acid that works synergistically with caffeine to improve brain function. It enhances alertness, focus, and cognitive performance without the jitters associated with excessive caffeine intake. 5. Skin radiance. Green tea isn't just for sipping, it's a beauty elixir too. Its polyphenols and anti-inflammatory properties can help combat skin issues like acne, redness, and premature aging. You can also use it topically as a natural toner. 6. Stress buster. Life can get stressful, but green tea can be your stress-busting companion. The L-theanine in green tea promotes relaxation and reduces anxiety, making it an ideal beverage to unwind with after a long day. 7. Oral health. Say goodbye to bad breath and oral bacteria. Green tea contains natural fluoride and antibacterial properties that can help prevent tooth decay, gum diseases, and freshen your breath. 8. Immune system support. Strengthen your immune system with green tea. Its polyphenols and vitamins, like C and E, boost your body's defense mechanisms, helping you stay healthy and ward off illnesses. So, there you have it, the extraordinary benefits of green tea in a nutshell. Incorporating this miraculous beverage into your daily routine can pave the way to a healthier and happier you. Remember, it's not just a drink, it's a tonic for your body, mind, and soul. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Share your green tea experiences in the comments below, and until next time, stay healthy and stay wise.